what I pay, why the fuck would I worry? You know I'm a blamer. I'm up in the sky, my gang is enhancing. Diamonds on me and they motherfucking dancing. Manson, demon child, bitch, I'm like Marilyn. I'm with a bitch with the nails in her hair, deep. Don't fuck with niggas like Terry. Smack me with cheese and call me a Karen. She get on her knees but don't wanna get married. I'm milking her face but she don't know Derek. Got rid of the kids but still got a carrot. I pull out the weed, I'm no ordinary. I stay with them peas like motherfucking Perry the platypus. Having multiple heads collapse.